Hello everyone, welcome back to RareChem Official. Today we are going to discuss about hydrogen spectrum. It is discharge tube. It consists of hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas consists of hydrogen molecule. By applying high potential difference in discharge tube, H2 molecule will convert into H2 atoms. Hydrogen has one electron because of atomic number is 1. Whenever if take hydrogen atom, this is nucleus, these are the cells. Hydrogen has one electron. When electrons jumps from low energy to any other high energy level, some energy will absorb. In higher energy level it is unstable, so it will come back to any other lower energy level. Some radiation will emit. First time Balmer observed the spectral lines, only series visible to the naked eye is termed as the visible region. First time Balmer observed that series is Balmer series. When electrons jumps to second orbit is called Balmer series. To find out energy difference between two energy levels and wavelength, wave number, he given a equation, that is nu bar equals to 1 by lambda is equals to 109,677 into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by n2 square. Here 2 square means he observed a series when electrons jumps from high energy level to second orbit. This is the equation. Later Lyman observed electron jumps to first orbit. That series is called Lyman series. He given equation is E bar equals to R into 1 by 1 square minus 1 by n2 square observed in ultraviolet region. After that fashion observed that electron jumps from high energy level to third orbit. He given series, that is Paschen series, and to calculate wave number, wavelength and energy difference between energy levels, he given a equation, that is V equals to R into V bar equals to nu bar equals to R into 1 by 3 square minus 1 by n2 square. Here n2 is the 4, 5, 6 like that. Later bracket observed electron jumps to fourth orbit. He given series, that is bracket series. And to calculate wave number, wavelength, energy difference between energy levels, he given equation, that is nu bar equals to R into 1 by 4 square minus 1 by n2 square. He observed in infrared region. Finally Fund observed when electron jumps to fifth orbit. He given equation, that is nu bar equals to R into 1 by 5 square minus 1 by n2 square observed in far infrared region. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.